Welcome folks. Today we're going to be making some sautéed vegetables in our PIC Gold. First, let's set our PIC to start heating up. Let's set our temperature to 425 degrees. Press the high button and then press the start button. As our pan warms up, add some olive oil to the pan. A helpful tip, the oil will get more loose and runny as it heats up, so that's your clue that your pan is ready to go. First, we'll add our mushrooms. They take the longest to cook. After the mushrooms cook down a bit, add the zucchini and green peppers to the pan. Next, add some salt and pepper to taste. We'll cook everything down till they're about halfway done, and then we'll add our tomatoes at that point. Everyone likes their vegetables a little different. Some like them more done, some others like them with a little more bite. So please cook your vegetables down to how you like it, but generally this recipe only takes about 4 to 6 minutes. Once you feel your vegetables are perfect, press pause on the PIC and you can go ahead and plate your vegetables. And there you have it, beautifully sautéed vegetables using your PIC Gold.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers and this is the Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop. It's a very generous size. It has 2 separate burners that operate independently. The one on this side has 5 settings. I'm just going to move this over here so you can see. So your heat can go up to 5. It also has a timer, which you can set just by holding this down. It goes all the way up to, I believe, 150 minutes. So I'm going to turn that off. So did you notice when I took the pan away from this side that it starts flashing and it starts beeping? That's to let you know that there's power going to the actual cooktop, but there's no pan on it. And it's put itself back on the speed. So it goes from 1, all the way up to 8 on this side. This side has 8 settings, this side has 5. So you'll notice also it's black. It has a glass cooktop. It's really simple and easy to clean. Also on this side, like I said, it's independent, so you also have your own timer and your own heat control. Induction cooktops are super efficient. They bring water to boil very quickly. The other thing that you should know about induction cooktops is that you need induction-ready cookware. To test your cookware to see if it's induction ready, just take a typical magnet and place the magnet on the body or the bottom of the cookware. Check the bottom and also check the sides. Some pieces of cookware, just the bottom will be induction ready, so it'll take a little longer to come to temperature. But this cookware is completely induction ready, all the way up the side and into the bottom of the pan. The other thing that's really great about these induction cooktops is if you're having a big party and you want to serve, let's say, a fondue or even some type of soup or a casserole or chili, you can actually put this out on your kitchen counter or maybe even in your dining room, and you can let people help themselves. It makes your life a lot easier when you're entertaining.